Hey there, guys. It's me, Steve. Welcome to Grind to Freedom. Today, I want to talk about YouTube on easy mode. I feel like I get so many questions from you guys, whether it's in the comments or I get messages or anything like that, just asking me, hey, like, how do I start a YouTube channel? What should I do? What niche I should get into? What topic should I talk about? And I'm like, listen, YouTube is on easy mode right now. You know what easy mode is? It means you don't have to overthink. You don't have to work extremely hard to achieve something. All you have to do is to start. How do you start? Make a video. Oh, but I don't have the camera. It doesn't matter. You have a phone, right? What are you looking at me at? Are you looking at me on the TV? Are you looking at me on the laptop? On your phone? Whatever it is, maybe the TV is not the right answer. But like if you're looking at me on your computer, you can use your webcam. If your computer has a webcam. If you're looking at me on a phone, you can literally use your phone and start making videos. The majority of the videos on this channel were made and are made on my phone. My phone is right here. It's not a special phone. I don't even have an iPhone. It's just this little phone that I have right here. I, of course, because I'm taking this seriously, I'm investing in equipment. Like as you can see, like I move over here and I move over here and the camera follows me because I invested in this equipment to make the quality better, to give you guys better sound quality. Like right here, I have a little mic that I'm using right now so you can hear me good, and because right now it's a little noisy where I'm at. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. But YouTube is on easy mode, man. You don't need to overthink what it is that you want to do. Just start by sharing your authentic story. Literally, if you go on this channel and you see any of my other videos, all I'm doing, I'm gonna give you the secret sauce right now. All I'm doing is sharing my authentic story, my background, where I come from, what I've done, slowly but surely. I'm not giving everything away in one video. I'm giving little piece by little piece because I know that's the way that people consume content the best. And also that's the best way that you guys can get to know me better. By the time I'm in my, 300 video from here to like 2-3 months from now, you guys, at least the ones that subscribe to this channel, please do if you haven't. For those people that follow this journey of grinding to freedom, like, you'll know me as a person, as a human being. You'll know my background, where I come from, the things I've done, all those things, if you follow my journey. So that's the same thing that you should do for your channel. You shouldn't focus on like, oh, I'm gonna do arts and crafts, or I'm gonna do slime challenges, or I'm gonna do prank videos. You shouldn't even think of that. Unless that's really a passion of you, then go ahead, do it. But like, if you have no idea on how to start or what to do or nothing, just simply share your story, share your background, share where you come from, share where you're at right now, share what your future goals are, and start from there and build it from there. And if you can only do one video per week just to get started, start with that. I think that's bare minimum effort. You should do way more than that. You should be able to do at least 3 a week. I'm doing daily because I know every day I got something to talk about with you guys. So, and the more reps you get into it, the more comfortable you get. It's like, for example, when I started going to the gym, at first, I would go do a few exercises, and first I didn't have the knowledge, so I didn't know what exercise to do for what. I didn't know how many reps were okay. When I was done with my gym day, the next day and the next couple of days, I'll be very sore and I couldn't like move or walk properly. So I started slow. Slowly but surely, I worked my way into a position where I can go to the gym comfortably 4 times a week. With 4 times a week that I go to the gym specifically, I get a really good weekly workout. And on a monthly basis, we're literally talking 4 times 4, that's 16. 16 times, that's more than half of the month that I'm going to the gym and I'm doing proper workouts with proper rest as well. Because rest is also part of the workout. So same with YouTube. YouTube, if you never put yourself on video before, if you're intimidated by it, if you're intimidated by public speaking or whatever it is, just start slow. Start with one video. Give it a few days. Make another one. But just know that one video is not just gonna all of a sudden explode and go viral and give you 1 million views and $1 million. You have to be consistent. It's part of the game for you to be consistent, for you to be authentic and genuine, and for you to just express yourself. Express who you are, show the people who you are. People gravitate by your story, people gravitate by your personality, people gravitate by your looks. But ultimately, the only way people are going to gravitate towards you is if you get started. And right now, there hasn't been a better time to start YouTube than now. Because back in the day, you needed fancy editing, you needed help, you needed SEO, you needed crazy thumbnails. But even if you see this channel, I'm not doing crazy thumbnails. I'm not doing crazy titles. I'm not doing crazy editing. All I'm doing is authentically sharing my opinion, sharing myself, sharing what I know, sharing what I know will help you guys. Hey, hey. I love it, man. People are so nice and friendly here. But yeah, ultimately, just be yourself. Like this guy that just said hi to me, if you heard him, he went, ee! He's a surfer guy. He's now putting on his surfboard because he's about to go surfing. And this dude can literally just grab a GoPro, grab some waterproof camera, set it up in his surfboard, and he can just make content of him surfing. That's a hobby of his. That's something that you could do. It's not complicated. It's really not. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. Oh, it's stuck in my face. But yeah. Let me see if I can show you. Look, is that, oh, the other way. That guy right there, he's way over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. No, I can't. He's way over there. But dude was saying hi to me. And yeah, super nice. And now, he's paddling away, surfing. Man, surfing looks so fun. Any of these people can literally, if they just gotta keep doing what they're doing, hook a camera to it, and man, they could be earning money to go surfing. Wouldn't that be so cool? Just authentically sharing what they do. If I've surfed, I would do it, but I don't. So yeah, just share authentically who you are, what you do, what you want to do, what you want to become. For me, I'm just a passionate digital nomad that likes to try new things. I might try surfing one more day, one time. I almost died one time when I was a kid surfing, so that's why I don't do it. That could be a story for another day. If you guys want to hear that story, leave it in the comments below, and I'll make a video about my surfing story where I almost died and I actually went blind for a few hours. It was super scary. I was a teenager, but it was more than a decade and a half ago. So anyways, that's it for this video. I don't want to make it as more longer than what it is already. Just YouTube is on easy mode. Trust the process. Don't rush the process. Just start making videos with what you got. You don't need to buy equipment. You don't need to buy mics. You don't need to think of fancy titles. You don't need to make crazy thumbnails. Just share your story. Share your authentic self. The rest will follow. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this bad boy. Like the video if you liked it so we can get into the algorithm stuff. Comment below what type of actions are you going to take, and have you seen that YouTube is really on easy mode? Constantly on my feed, there's more and more creators that pop up that have no fancy editing. They're doing most of their stuff with a single camera or just their phone. And it's all about the message. It's all about the content. If you have good stuff, people gravitate towards you. So keep at it, keep going. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. See you in the next one.